about to get Rustified.
Black, black, black. Black on black, black. Yeah, hey. Okay, black, 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 black on black, black, my thoughts so black, black, black on black, my skin is so black, I'm rocking that black on black is black. Rims on these black wheels in this.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Khalifa Sa, and I'm back with another video. So the other day, I finally took the truck and had it washed at Ineos. And like I said, don't tell Fu. He doesn't know. But anyway, I said that I was going to do a demo and let you guys who haven't seen the truck see it and tell you all about it. But I didn't get a chance because I had some other stuff that I need to take care of, and it took them a little longer to wash my truck than I thought it was going to take. But it was pretty dirty. And if I know you, I know if you see this, you're going to say, oh, it's still dirty because they don't clean it properly, which you would be correct. No one cleans my truck the way you clean it. I appreciate you. But like I said, I didn't want to have you detail it and then I'll park it right back in the mud. It just makes no sense because I'm just going to throw mud all on the truck when I drive off. But anyway, you all aren't here to hear me babble. I'm going to, even though the inside of the truck looks a mess right now, I'm going to show you all what's inside the truck. For those that don't know, I've got an entire DD Audio build up in here. I've got 8 DD Audio 9912s on 4 DD Audio M5s. I've got 4 speakers in front and both doors. Well, actually, it's 5. I've got 2 mid bass, 2 vocals, and 1 tweeter in each door, the passenger and driver door. I don't have any speakers in the back, and when I open up the door, you'll see why. I guess I should unlock it, huh? So I had Makoto custom build these doors for me, and they actually light up. This is Fujin Raijin, which is the god of thunder and god of wind here in Japan. Turn the lights on. You guys won't be able to really see the lights because it's bright out here, but you can barely see them lighting up. And then in the back, like I said, I've got 8 DD Audio 9912s. And this truck is DD Titan. It's named after my bull mastiff that passed away. And I need to fix these strips. But anyway, I've got 6 voice speakers back here along with 4 tweets. I've got 170 amp hours of lithium. I also have, if you guys can see, speakers under the truck. This amplifier powers these speakers in the back. This one is on the tweets. This is my ZVL, which straps all 4 of these speakers together. Yeah, so let me turn the speakers outward. And see if I can give you guys a demo. I haven't tested these speakers since we first put them in here. Got everything wired up, which was about a year ago, actually. Shit, I don't even remember which switch it is. But I've got a switch panel right here in the center which controls everything. Shout out to my boy Fu for wiring this up for me. Because I didn't do any of the electrical wiring inside the truck. The only thing I did was build the enclosure, install the speakers, do the doors. Well, I had a dude named Brad back in Louisiana. He was the one that actually did the door build up for me, and I installed the speakers. I had to do some modifications to the doors because, of course, he didn't have my truck with him when he was building the doors out, so it wasn't quite complete, so to speak. I had to reinforce some stuff behind it to make the speakers actually stay in place. But I mean, it wasn't a lot to do, but I did it anyway. And of course, I made this center console with the iPad in it, custom bass knob. Let's take a look under the hood. Sun is horrible. I need to clean under my hood too, but I got 3 alts in here. This is the factory alt. Well, it's been stepped up a little bit, but it's it's 210 amp. And then I have these 2, which are 410 each. And they power the system. Makoto built these brackets for me for the wiring. I did all of the wiring under the hood and ran the cables all the way under the truck back to the back where you see them come up through the back floorboard. Yeah, so that's the walk around the truck. Well, let me show you the custom decal. I don't know if you guys can pick it up, but I got Fuji and Raijin on the side of the truck with DD Audio logo. See, Fu would go off about this because they didn't even clean my wheels or Ineos. Oh, and I had to put big brakes on it, of course, because the factory brakes would not stop this thing. Makoto actually built a steel cage in the back to keep me from tearing the truck up. And this truck is probably about 5,000 pounds heavier than it should be. But anyway, let's get this demo.
About to get rustified.
Black, black, black on black, black, yeah, hey. Okay, black, 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 black on black, black, my thoughts so black, black, black on black, my skin is so black, I'm looking at black on black is black.
Rims on these black wheels in this black wheel with this black bitch. I'm so black on black on black on black on
Black, black, black on black, black, my thoughts so black, black, black on black, my skin is so black, I'm looking all black, everything is black.
rims on these black wheels in this black wheel with this black bitch.
Hey, black out the roof, about the roof, I'm running nigga. Call up the truth, punch you in the mouth, then knock out your tooth. I can tell when they not telling the truth. Talking that shit, nigga, what you gon' do? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Back and I'm black and I'm acting brand new. Niggas in the back like, oh word. Diamonds all black like, fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard. Spilling some Hennessy black on the curb, just for the memory of the deceased. When I black out, I go waking the beast. What it's gon' be? What it's gon' be? You don't wanna fuck with a nigga like me that you never seen, motherfucker so black. Nigga, I'm black on black on black on black on black. Black, black, black on black, black, my thoughts so black, black, black on black, my skin is so black, I'm looking at black on black, it's black. Black on black, black on black, my thoughts so black, black, black on black, my skin is so black, I'm rocking all black, everything is black.
Rims on this black, wheels on this black, whip with this black, yeah, so black on black on black on black.
This kid black, Tim's black, hill tracks like I'm 6 black. Hair blacker than black, lips black, even my dick black. Granddad Irish, Trinidad, guess I am half. Now go to Ancestry.com. I'm about the black. These ain't about the black. He's to the black, even though he black. Head in that. If you black, you put in that. Straight you hang from a tree, or the leaves is red in that. Like a Darbyite, Africa, I'm from that. Tree, black on black. Killing with the kicking they boot that. Orange is the new black.
Black, black, black on black.
Yeah, so black on black on black on black on
Black, black, black on black. So black, black on black. My skin is so black. I'm all black. Everything is black.
rims on this black, wheels on this black, whip with this black, yeah, so black on black on
I feel like Trayvon with this black hoodie on, Huey P. Newton, Black River.
Something told me I should have taken my mirror down. Now it's broken. Ain't that a female dog? Oh well, I hope you guys enjoyed the demo. I'm gonna figure out how to get this mirror put back up in place, because without that mirror, I can't see out the back of the truck, and I definitely need it to back into my driveway since the bike garage is being built, because I don't want to run into it. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. It's been your boy Khalifa Saad, checking out with another video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the post notification bell, turn it to all so that you know when I drop a new video. And with that, I'm out.